everybody. So I hope you enjoyed that little bit in the beginning there. I wanted to do more food related videos on this channel. So today I'm just going to quickly go over going to a butcher. Now I know you have your meat counters at your grocery store and you can buy frozen meat. It's totally different to find a butcher. I think you should Google butcher shops in your area and try going to one. They'll sell fresh meats and fish and shellfish as well. You can get more time with the butcher. They'll explain more things to you about the meat. You'll get quality cuts of meat because they'll be fresh. Different types of meats that you may not find in your grocery store, you can find in a butcher shop. They'll give you different cuts of meat as well, so you'll be able to spend less money because you'll be able to get different types of cuts as opposed to them pre-cutting the meat. You know, they'll be able to cut it in front of you. You'll get really good quality of meat and also fish. You know, even going to a fish market is about the same thing. You'll get those quality cuts of fish. You'll get really fresh prime fish. You'll be able to get different kinds of shellfish, like different sizes of shrimps, and they can cut the meat up for you. Like if you wanted salmon and you wanted it cut in slivers or whatever you wanted, or cut in chunks, whatever, they will cut it right there for you. And it's really important that you consider this because when you're looking for quality meats to cook, you really want to go to a fish market or to a butcher to get them. I know they have Wegmans and Trader Joe's, which they have really nice selections of meats. So if you have any of those in your area, you'll be able to find dry aged meats in places like those as well. So just something for you guys to consider. And if you go to a butcher, leave me some comments down below and tell me what you love about your local butcher shop and what you like to get from there. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.